And, you know, before we even touch upon the subject here, the next thing was the current state of dancehall, which I think we kind of dissect it away, but on a like an artist level, but on a global level, right?
My father.
What do you...
Let me explain.
Before me even ask, more you the dagger. Before me even ask.
Current state of dancehall, nothing is wrong with it. Let me tell you why.
Yeah.
When you did have, back in the days, you know them used to fight reggae music the same way. Them used to fight reggae music the same way. I say, yo, ragga music. When I can't, yo, dirty people music and Ray.
Word.
Who is the biggest artist in the world? Bob Marley. What him do? Reggae music.
Good music, uplifting music, positive music.
Yeah, reggae. But Peter Tosh did do music too and
no,
still
Peter Tosh was a rebel. Peter Tosh was a rebel.
But him there, but a reggae music.
But still.
Bob, hey, hold on. So you know, say.
Don't.
Bob there for growing up in a radio station with him gun, you know. You didn't know that?
No. Don't think so reggae music are just some high.
But hold on, my brother.
Jesus and love and classy. No.
Just like I say.
Reggae music are rebel
the
music.
Battery, negative
and positive.
Work. Yeah. What Bob Marley was singing about?
I shot the sheriff and I didn't shoot the deputy. One love.
One love, right?
So some people say, you shoot the deputy, but you talk about one love. That's contradicting. At Demarco say, positive.
Bob Marley there for run up in a radio station with him pistol. For them play positive music.
So the dog that
negative.
Isn't it?
I'm positive.
Some people say that's contradictory. You have to run up with violence for spread peace. It's so crazy that is, people.
Yeah.
Bob Marley left run up in a radio station with him pistol. Violence for promote peace.
Brother.
Wow.
Brother. So now the youth them are try out them new thing with them fusion of trap music and dancehall, right?
Yeah.
The whole world right now is a fusion of music. Rap music don't sound the same way like before.
Nah, you know lie, because rap music is the sound like this. Man, I'ma tell you I'm coming with the jam. If you wanna disrespect me, you get blamed.
Let me tell you again. Let me show you a thing again.
And then dance about the ideas. I go jump. No, jump. That gonna say, yo, me I tell everyone first night. I mean, I know if for the white room, but something I feel like. Isn't it? Yeah, it changed, man, for real.
Pop music.
Yeah.
Is trap music right now. Listen to all that pop music. Them a trap beat your ear. So everything is a fusion.
No more Taylor Swift and Anna Montana?
I'll Taylor Swift them. Me sure you can type up Taylor Swift for your ear up on a trap ready.
Me know blood clot Anna Montana. Gucci chain and my socks. Oh, we should do that. And the Jordan song.
So that's why me nah try to bash the youth them dog.
I think we as Jamaicans, bro, we a part of us want to preserve the cultural aspect, but we're really not doing it. We're just more so talking about preserving it, but we're not preserving it really. Because if you look on it, bro, if all right, Bunty still alive, Bean is still alive, all them and I said that the dog them now promote the new wave of dancehall. Them Monday.
No, me say Bunty. Me say Bunty and promote it. Yeah. Bunty, me say Bunty. Me say Bunty and Joshi do song.
Okay, but no, Josh is a dancer. Josh is a trap artist. I would say Josh is a dancehall artist.
Yeah, but he do song on trap beat. It's a trap dancehall mixture.
But Josh's career, you think Josh's career is a what I say? What is a dancehall artist who
do
Josh
trap? Reason Josh is saying boss with a banger song.
I mean, if you know more than me,
yeah. So
you know what I mean, yeah.
And him a good artist, great artist.
Just a wicked artist.
You see me? And I feel like the whole Bunty, me can't say Bunty. Yeah. Show the youth some love, same way.
Word.
But the man them now for do this traditional thing we not talk about. Because everything is evolving. Music is evolving around four corner.
And as much as some of us don't want to admit that,
Bro, every
true.
genre.
Every genre, yeah.
Every genre. You see me? Even the same reggaeton
Yeah.
is evolving. Them, them change up the beat too.
Cause Bad Bunny them not sound like
exactly
Daddy Yankee them.
And reggaeton born out of dancehall music.
Oh yeah, for sure.
And them evolve as well.
A lot of them don't wanna admit that though.
No, them admit it, man. Them bow, them do the reggaeton make up from.
Yeah.
Them bow, Shabba, them bow. You see me? And music has evolved. So me can't try fight the youth. You them are going with them thing. The whole of them. So you know see what I go on. It come like I'm the only artist from my era where I do song with the youths them because I get it. And me no want the out of the loop.
Yeah.
I'm to you.
No, because
the talent to me have you mad me then I am doing you not do that genre, you not do this, that mix up thing, yeah. The fusion, yeah. I'm there. Because here we go on. Same thing them they say about reggae music. Reggae music, it now gone away. And look where Bob Marley is.
Dog left it at one place. Nobody can outdo him. Nobody can outdo
look who is Bob Marley.
The man they sell thousands of albums every year from them.
Brother, me hear them have debate. Bob Marley or Michael Jackson.
Boy, I love Bob still, but Michael, me give it still. I'm not lie to you.
Oh, no, never.
Rate Bob, but Michael.
Oh, never. I will never give it to Michael.
Okay, that's fine.
Bob Marley, all day, every day.
Rate Bob. Means that I love Bob. I love Bob song, them I love Bob album. My nigga. But I never seen a girl drop and frat up yet for Bob Marley, yeah? When girl touch blood clot Michael, girl frat up. You know what I mean? Girl frat up
Bob Marley change a whole country.
I mean, you understand that.
Frat
all right,
up.
So all right.
Frat
Wait,
up don't mean anything.
Wait. You know what?
Frat up versus change a whole country.
Yeah, I agree. I'll give you that. The actual change, yeah. But I think Michael Jackson was way more popular than Bob Marley. But Bob Marley made a greater impact on the world. You don't give me that?
So him can more popular.
What?
If he make a greater impact on
Bro,
the world.
let me just say this. Bob Marley was an anomaly. Bob Marley shouldn't do his prime there. Bob Marley did it because God say, yo, I hear time now because we know the powers that be
family
would have fight out Bob Marley too. When they were fighting Bob Marley tooth and nail.
Family, let me say something.
Bro, I'll give it to Michael.
Family, let me say something to you. No, let me say something to you. How much people live in America?
300 million.
How much people live in Jamaica?
3 million.
Okay. I'm done talking.
Bro.
You don't get what I just said?
I know
I'm done talking.
For somebody to come from such a small island. For somebody to come from such a small island and make such a great impact. I understand what you're saying.
I'm done talking.
Bro, I give it to Michael, bro. That nigga was dangerous, bro. How much album? All right, let's look on sales. You did with numbers, right?
Yeah.
Let's compare Michael Jackson numbers to Bob Marley numbers. It's not close, bro.
That don't have anything to do with it.
Nah, so what? We swear Demarco, I bring all of the arguments to validate theme point, and I disregard everyone that validate my point. So we need somebody else to judge.
Can I explain business to you?
Okay.
Michael Jackson had a whole friggin' entity or whatever enterprise behind him.
Yeah, he had a machine.
Hold on. Michael Jackson, back in the days, you sold how many you bought. So the amount of records you bought, that is what you sold. You didn't know that? All right, but may I teach you now. So
who bought?
The label, because you have to buy the records to sell them. So when you buy them, the amount you buy and you ship it
I
out.
mean to make them and
yes.
ship.
Yes.
So that's where sales are generated from the label.
My brother.
From the label.
Even the record.
So you're telling me if a close company.
Stores and all of that stuff, the record store them, no, we are deal with music is different from clothing.
Mm.
Because music, you have barcode, you have where you scan. So from your scan that, the sound, the recordings, the sound scanner or whatever, that is what you sold. So even if you buy them and you don't sell none, it still is fucking sales.
Okay.
So
okay.
Yeah.
We just learn something.
Yes, my brother.
We just learn something while ago.
So yeah,
but
Bob Marley is the king.
Bob Marley is the king of reggae music.
He's the king of music.
And Michael Jackson is the king of pop. Rate both of them. Big up Michael, big up Bob Marley.
No,
Bob
Marley
big
all
up
the way.
Big up G them.
I love Michael Jackson.
Is wicked artist, man. But
Michael Jackson the one of the baddest thing, but Bob Marley, all day, every day.
Yeah, when it comes to positivity and them thing, I have to give it to Bob. Because Michael Jackson is more so dancey, but Bob's whole mission was peace and love. I forgive him that for real. But Marco, let's not get ahead of ourselves because I'm not gonna lie to you about G.
Rotted.
Pre level. Yeah, man.
So long we gone.
We're there, man. Pre levels, yeah. Zane, what I noticed about you though, how we attack, on camera, off camera, mostly off camera because it's our first podcast we do. We mostly talk off camera, we talk about when I realize we do about J, I'm respect this 100% people. Listen to me I say. Demarco, we know. Because when we did high school and Falling Soldier and everything come out and, big song, everything bust out.
Yeah.
Demarco and I blood clot blazer. You understand? Big belly.
Big belly.
You see me? From them time till now, the G are doing thing.
Yeah.
Thing, but what I realize now, and maybe because I'm privy to more information now because
social media and them
social media too, we realize that Demarco right now in the music industry is one of the most independent artists out there. I'm gonna go around the corners or curves, watch the levels of people. Demarco write music, not for only for himself, but other people too.
Yep.
Record music, Zane, make beats.
Yep.
And him fund him whole career right now. Would you say that?
No, yeah.
From audio, when you can't see backstage, but the mic and everything over there, so and him invest in a visual equipment as well.
Yes.
We are talking about 100, my nigga, % independent.
Yes.
Independent individual. And I want you to tell these artists nowadays how important it is to be independent as an artist.
It's very important because you be able to own your masters. That is a big thing. You see me? You have your publishing. You know what I'm saying? You have when you go sound exchange. You have whole heap of money for get when your music play upon Sirius XM Sirius Radio.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you this, artists, it is 40. Me here say $50 now for one player on satellite radio. You hear that? So, you can go and do a chop and mix up, but do the music that play and that and them place the too. So you can get that income. You see me?
So you're saying $50 if your song play one time on a satellite radio?
One time.
You heard it here, ladies and gentlemen.
50 US.
50 US if your song play one time on a satellite radio. That is why the people who in the industry, I remember one brother, the man say, yo, are these people really making good music? Then I'm going to mixing and mastering. They're not mastering their music. And I'm like, what the fuck? I'm not a musician, so I don't know the importance of mastering. What is the importance of mastering?
It's very important because it make your music sound better. It make your music listenable for the consumers, so them not say, yo, this hurting my ears. So
isn't that what mixing is for?
Huh?
And another what mixing for?
No, mixing is to bring it to a point. Mastering is to level it off. So no matter how loud you turn it up, it sounds the same way as how the mix sounds good. It keep it the same way. If you just mix a song and you just put it out, when you turn it up, it'll just get loud.
Facts.
And distorted. But mastering now, it keep it on one level. It's not going to clip. It's not going to go in the red. You understand?
Yeah. Okay, I see.
And make it sound better and round up everything. And you know, if it's lucky enough, like tapping, like tweet at, you can add it in mastering. If the bass sound kind of muddy, you can fix it in mastering. Word. If the voice kind of sound where you can fix even the voice into one stereo mix. You understand? So
that ain't bad at all. That ain't bad.
Yeah, man.
When I like to, I respect that because when I like people, even on the Instagram, the G continuously I post every day. At least one hit when producing a dancer.
I will eat more. I need to post though.
But G, what? You have more?
Will eat more.
People, all right, Demarco. If you don't care, please share some of the big hits them we're producing in Jamaica. Where you personally produce in a Jamaica.
All right, I can't say produce because in Jamaica now, them have producers. Them have it all screwed up. So, a producer in Jamaica that don't make a rhythm should be called an executive producer.
Okay.
You see me? But I'm a composer. You see me? Because me
together.
create it. Me create the beat. So, you have beats like Party Animal.
Yeah.
Charlie Black's Party Animal. Mission Rhythm with Movado, I'm on the Rock. You know what I mean? Shootout Rhythm. You don't know, Demarco, Duppy know who for frighten. Falling Soldiers. Demarco, Falling Soldiers. The list goes on and on. Cartel. Squeeze. When me squeeze it in a face, boy, dead.
Shut a beat in your blood clot
I'm
head.
gonna post that yet.
Bumbo clot, brother.
You know that's
up when the Glock a bang up. What the fuck you talking about, brother?
That is my song.
Bumbo clot.
Brother.
What?
You have Cartel, Beyonce wine, me and Jam too. You put it by. Give me the Beyonce wine.
Bumbo clot.
You have Cartel and Spice. Me play most of the phrase.
She can turn back wheels.
Can't take the pressure cause the
Pum pum bo. Pala.
You have Cartel again when me play most of the phrase them again. Baby, why not? Y'all everybody wicked in a bed. Cartel, wait name. It's gonna take a miracle with me and Cartel.
Okay, alright.
Cartel again. I don't know if nobody know that one about Virus Rhythm. Where it go again. No girl them no want a smooth operator. If you would not use I said she like it. Yo, me can go on popcorn. Me rather dead before me take her backstage here. Busy signal. Girl, wine pan the edge.
Wine pan the edge.
Busy signal. Who's calling me from an unknown number? Busy signal. Babylon curfew, the dance. What else? Yo, what? Brother, me can go on and on. When the lover come down on you, when the lover come down on you. Yeah, this a girl I want backers is a girl I want. What else? Come make we sort them out. They make the Dan go a jail through them talk him out. Brother. Angel big hit song. Stronger. I'm gonna live my life longer.
Oh shit.
I say my name is getting Sander. What else? Yo, brother, we can go on and on. Brother.
So one of my things that the G does they in a studio behind microphone. But the G they behind the keyboard and the blood clot come with the screen.
Mama even Movado. Mama even if them kill me, don't cry. And my voice I say march out. Magazine with him. Magazine with Movado.
Brother.
Yo.
Brother. What?
Brother. Something Movado and Junior Reid. Dirty gun we have up. And me write that too for Movado. You see me? Me can just keep on going. Cartel. She said the driver rich. She said the doctor rich. She said have enough girl and him pocket thick. Half a tree. Dongaton. Cartel. Dark shades like Ray Charles.
Oh shit. What on there?
Brother,
What on there? So a two song you produced pan the album there?
he did up on the album there. Ray Charles.
Yeah, Ray Charles upon the album. King of the Dancehall, I think.
Yeah,
and then you have a song with him.
Yeah.
What the song name again? And every girl that with two songs.
Miracle.
No, not Miracle. You have another one Gelly song.
Searching
like Google.
Google. And maybe like what they do.
Bro, I can tell you this right now. Brother, you see that brother, yeah?
Me can name song like, yo, whoa, me about 50 or 60 more when me can name, bro.
Yo.
You see me?
Me know say Demarco did produce rhythm.
Respect for my name.
Me know say Demarco did produce rhythm, but Bad G, when me see the dog a post on Blood Clot Instagram back to back.
I love my life. All of them rhythm there.
No, you see that now, brother? Me can never go a club and the song they play everybody stays so. Every man stays a lion paw. I love my life. Yeah, my brother, my cousin them. Every man a lion paw, every man stays so. I went to jump. From now on, tomorrow might bring
in the future.
I was away. Every party me go, brother, people have to move.
I sang with Akon. Waiting you want, I go buy Lamborghini for you. Me produce it.
Nawala. I thought a big international. Nawala, I go buy them for you.
Which dancehall artist you know? It. With a Afrobeat song with them a speak the dialect. Me no know none. Name one.
Jaja.
I speak the pidgin language dialect. Name one.
Put respect on the G name.
Please name one. Please, me I beg on.
Put respect on the G name. You understand? Me not lie to you. The G in portfolio.
Out of the whole of dancehall, from way back till now, which artist / producer have the most balance like me? I don't know no. This the only second person when me can say. And him is more of a producer than an artist. It's Sirani. And you have Genius, Steven. I'm a G that man, yo. Then you have Left Side.
Big up Left Side.
You see me?
Big up Left Side.
But it's like me get the most hits as an artist.
I would say too because if you look on it, Left Side are the only one who's more of an artist than a producer to me. But Genius and Sirani, them are more so producers to me. But in an artist category, what I give you encompass everyone. Bro, you're a producer and a fucking artist.
Eat rhythm and build for people, brother.
I'm surprised, bro. Bro, I never know say the G did things up. Bro, I when the dog a post me say, oh no, the dog catalog dangerous. That's about 3 songs every day. The dog, did you know I produced this? I never blood clot no. I mean Marco I never know.
I've wall it more for put up.
People, so stay tuned. Why your Instagram angle so the people them can see?
The Instagram handle is Demarco, the Dan. So it's DEMARCO DADON. And that is for Twitter. Yeah. That is for TikTok. And Facebook is Demarco the Dan 7, the numeral 7. That is it. Yeah, that is it.